Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fast travel in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. And let's get straight into the video. So in order to fast travel, all you have to do is hit M on your keyboard or just go to the map if you're on console. But anyways, in order to fast travel you have to look for this blue, you gotta look for this blue icon, and this blue icon like with the golden star inside, or sun, whatever that is. But anyways, once you find that, you can basically fast travel. Those are like the only areas that are allowed to fast travel. I'm inside a house right now, so I can't fast travel. But if I go outside, I will be able to. Yes. If I go outside, I should be able to fast travel. And yeah, I'm able to travel now, and then that's basically it. But I believe your hunger does go down, and so does your sleep, and the time also passes, obviously. But other than that, you can only fast travel to these certain areas, like the ones that have the blue thing. So other than that, that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.